So hi everyone, this is JB Bormeo and welcome to another episode of Best You, Best Life. In this episode, I'm going to share with you this powerful lesson that I've heard from, very successful and one of the, highly sought after motivational speakers and authors, in the world. His name is Jim Rohn. And in this video, he talked about the law of diminishing intent. The law of diminishing intent. Now, have you ever experienced this moment wherein maybe you attended the seminar, and then during that seminar you're so hyped, and you want to really implement all the lessons that you have learned, that you have acquired from that seminar, and after maybe that very fresh moment, you want to implement right away, you want to take action. But then, of course, you get tired after listening, after being there a whole day, and then you go home, and then the following day, so you told yourself, yes, I'll be resting just for tonight, and then tomorrow I'll start doing something. Now tomorrow comes, the next day comes, and then suddenly there's this change of motivation, change of energy. All right, so now yes, I will try. But then I have to first go to my work, go to my office, and do something, right? So then you go to your office, then afternoon comes, you get tired again. All right, maybe I'll try. Okay, I just rest again. And then after resting, so that I'll have a fresh energy, I'll implement again. I'll try to implement the lessons that I've learned yesterday, right? So then you rest again, then the following day comes, and then, and then again, it repeats. And then you still haven't implemented anything. You still haven't tried anything. And then the following day comes, and then the following day, and then one day, this day comes that almost you forget, Then it gets erased, right? And you forgot all these lessons, and then it gets erased from your mind, right? And that's what he calls the law of diminishing intent. And so now, if you're going to ask me, when is the best time to take action? When is the best time to take action? My answer to that question was, I realized the answer to that question when I was also in that same situation. So I enrolled into an expensive coaching program. And then, of course, I was very hyped. And then the following day, again, I tried, I told myself I had to rest because it ended late night, early morning. So I had to rest and then implement the following day. And then I didn't implement, and then I didn't implement, and then I didn't. You know what? Up to now, somehow, I'm still having a difficult time remembering all this that happened some few months ago, and now I'm having a hard time remembering all the lessons, and now it's so hard for me to implement. A lot harder for me to implement. Now, if you're going to ask me when is the best time to take action, it should have been at that very moment when I feel really motivated, when the emotion is very strong, when the lessons were very fresh. It should have been that moment, that I started to implement. But I'm right now, I'm still here. I'm trying to implement now. So I'm forcing myself. This is much harder. Right? So for you, that's what I'm going to share. That's what I want to share with you. That if you are into something, maybe a small dream, a big project, a small project that you want to pursue, you start now, you take action now, you do whatever it takes now, start small maybe, just as long as you do something that's related, that will, get you closer to that dream. And then after that, you'll have that momentum, you'll have that extra push. It will build you that, once you have taken that first step, you'll take again another step. I'm telling you, you'll have that confidence to take again another step, and then another step, and then another step, and then another step. So now you're taking action, right? It's not a difficult, thing to do for you now, to take action. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that I was able to share with you that powerful lesson. So it was really a big lesson for me as well. So thank you so much. This has been JB Bormeo. I believe that you deserve to have the best life, but you have to be the best you.